Market your products, make I see. Market your products. How they sell it? Don't be 3, 150. Don't be 3. Now you think I get with that. Okay, where we go? Don't say I'm finished. What God cannot do. There, I could eat him. Okay, now I could. I want Coke, I don't want Pepsi. Plantain chips, come. Pepsi, Coke, how much?
203, 500.
And I put me in that dollar. I'm doing the truck, not you. I'll make I show you. Finally, by the time I don't collect my phone. What's that for do? Agbe on me. Down. Serious? I for do frog jump. Jesus. Because it's like he saw me. The first thing he said was that open your phone, delete that video. Let me see that video. I said, hey. So I'm a content creator, I just make content. He said, let me see it, delete it, go to your trash bin and delete it. I said, why will you be videoing us? What I said, oh boy, what I go.